Hello everybody, this is Rick from Working for Vacations with a travel hack that I want to share with you guys. Me and Lori go on trips about every 45 days, and what we found out was we were always forgetting to pack a phone charger or our electronic watch chargers or different things like that. So we decided to get an electronics travel pouch, and it has become so convenient for us. And this way we always have the stuff packed. We bought extras to put in here, and that way we don't have to worry about what we're forgetting as long as we don't forget the travel pack. So inside the travel pack, it's got two zippered pouches. The first side, I keep Lori's iPhone charger. I keep a plug-in charger with multiple units that I can plug in. Up here, because I ride roller coasters and we go to so many amusement parks, this is where I keep my glass straps that go onto my glasses to keep my glasses from falling off. On this side over here has my watch charger, Lori's watch charger, and just a few extra cables. I zip that side up and I open up the bottom, and this is where the bottom has two larger components in it. The first one is I carry this outlet or plug strip that also does USBs, but it also gives me 6 extra outlets. Very good for whenever you're on cruises, because there's never enough plugs in the cruises. And then this is the big power supply with its cord that I keep so that everything that we have in here can be plugged in. And then something that's kind of unique that we found that we like is a digital clock that this projects up onto the ceiling. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it or used it, but you wake up in the middle of the night, you're wondering what time it is, and you have to roll over and try to focus. And with me, without my glasses, I can't see anything. Well, by using this, you just look up at the ceiling and there it is. This is the bigger unit that we have in the bedroom, which also has my phone charger on it. But as you can see, when you look up, it just projects the time on the ceiling. And when it's completely dark, it's a dull red LED, so it doesn't bother you. It doesn't project any light or anything, but you just know what time it is. And we've gotten so used to this, we bought one to travel with, and we think it's just an excellent way of keeping track of time at night. So once again, I found this one on Amazon. I want to say it's probably about $22, $23. So if you like travel hacks like this and you would like more of them, please subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know what you think.